Kevin, Ron here at Partners. Excuse the wind. I'm going to do a video walk around on the 2017 Chevrolet Tahoe. Okay. Obviously white in color. 39,988. New rubber all the way around. Okay. Passive entry system. Bose sound system, memory seats. Okay. Lane departure, park assist, power adjustable pedals, just to name a few. Heated steering wheel. 67,000 miles. Okay. Sunroof also has the flip down entertainment center. Okay, for the young children. Take a look at the back. Captain's chairs in the back. The rear seats here are also heated. The second row. Okay. See, the plastic is still on the flip down DVD. I don't think it was ever used. Okay. Take a walk around the back. Power fold down seats. Okay. Again, 2017 Chevrolet Tahoe Premier. 67,000 miles, 39,988. New rubber. Any questions? My name is Ron.